This MCQ explanation series is brought to you by Shomu's Biology. Your success, our mission. Give a thumbs up if you like this video. Please subscribe to our Shomu's Biology channel to get more of these CSIR Net Life Science LSBT lectures for free.
Biological techniques questions. 1. Which technique is most suitable for detecting protein-protein interactions within living cells? STS page, yeast, 2 hybrid system, ELISA, northern blot. Answer. Yeast 2 hybrid system. This technique detects interactions by reconstituting a transcription factor in yeast when 2 proteins physically bind. 2. Which method is used to separate DNA fragments based on their length? 2D gel electrophoresis, ion exchange chromatography, SDS page, agarose gel electrophoresis. Answer. Agarose gel electrophoresis. DNA fragments move through the agarose matrix based on size, with smaller fragments migrating faster. 3. Which type of microscopy is ideal for visualizing fluorescent molecules in live cells? Bright field microscopy, transmission electron microscopy, confocal laser scanning microscopy, phase contrast microscopy. Answer. Confocal laser scanning microscopy. This technique allows sharp, high-resolution imaging of fluorescent tagged components in real time within living cells. 4. Which method is used to detect specific RNA sequences? Southern blot, western blot, northern blot, immunoprecipitation. Answer. Northern blot. It identifies specific RNAs by hybridizing them with labeled complementary probes after electrophoretic separation. 5. Which of the following steps is not part of the PCR cycle? Denaturation, hybridization, ligation, extension. Answer. Ligation. PCR does not involve DNA legacy. It consists of denaturation, primer annealing, hybridization, and extension.
Are you enjoying these test questions? Then you can join our online mock test series from Shomu's Biology. Download the app now or contact the given number in the screen.
6. Which technique enables quantification of mRNA levels in real time? RT-PCR, northern blot, qPCR, real-time PCR, DNA microarray. Answer. qPCR, real-time PCR. It quantifies amplified cDNA using fluorescence signals during each PCR cycle. 7. How is specific activity of an enzyme best defined? Total amount of enzyme per volume, activity per mg of total protein, protein concentration per unit volume, amount of enzyme bound to substrate. Answer. Activity per mg of total protein. This metric indicates enzyme purity by normalizing activity to protein content. 8. Which technique combines DNA amplification with quantification using fluorescent markers? Conventional PCR, real-time PCR, qPCR, Sanger sequencing, RAPD. Answer. Real-time PCR, qPCR. This method tracks DNA amplification in real time using fluorescence emitted from probes or dyes. 9. Which protein purification method uses specific molecular interactions for separation? Gel filtration, chromatography, ion exchange chromatography, affinity chromatography, ultracentrifugation. Answer. Affinity chromatography. It isolates proteins based on their high affinity binding to specific ligands immobilized on a column matrix. 10. In flow cytometry, what does forward scatter, FSC, primarily indicate? Cell granularity, DNA content, cell size, protein expression. Answer. Cell size. FSC reflects the overall size of the cell as it correlates with the amount of light scattered in the forward direction.
Hello future scientists and life science warriors. Are you preparing for the CSIR NET Life Science exam and feeling overwhelmed with what to study, how to practice, and where to start? Well, it's time to level up your preparation with the most loved online coaching platform, Shomu's Biology. Join thousands of successful aspirants who trust Shomu's Biology for expert-led guidance, crystal clear concept explanations, and strategic preparation. From unit-wise mastery to exam-targeted practice, we've got everything you need under one roof. Want daily practice questions like the one you just saw? Get our daily CSIR NET practice page exclusively on the Shomu's Biology app. Just download it from the Google Play Store and start your practice today. Need more support? We offer online test series, live online coaching, study materials shipped to your door. Just call us at 9804654228 and we'll get you started on the right path. This is more than just preparation. This is your launchpad to a career in science. So don't wait. Join Shomu's Biology and let's crack CSIR NET Life Science together.